Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting topic, which is nothing but become an agent place a legend. So if you want a solution for all of these modules, so we have already provided a playlist name called agent place a legend. So in that playlist you will find the solution for all of these modules and that we are posting. So today let's get started with service agent customization with prompt builder. So we do our developer edition org to be done before taking up this challenge, and I have already posted the video for the same. So we need to complete doing this step before we take up the challenge, and we need to connect that org. So if you have any query like how to do that, we have already posted the video in our channel. Do check that. So here you have to fill your first name, last name, mail ID and all the required details over here. So once if you have done that, you have to click on sign me up so that you will get a mail in your register mail ID. So you need to reset your password and then you need to connect your org. So as I've already connected the org, let me directly click on launch. Once if it is done, in the quick find we are gonna search for Einstein setup. To enable Einstein in our org, we need to do that. So here is our Einstein setup. So once if you click over there, you will get an option called turn on Einstein. Make sure you have already enabled this. So once if you have enabled, make sure to hard refresh once. And now in quick find we are gonna search for prompt builder and click on prompt builder. Let's go back meanwhile and let's copy this name. So here I'm gonna click on new prompt template and we are gonna choose flex as the template, and let's fill out the name and copy this name as well. So if we scroll down here, we are gonna keep contact, and then for object I'm gonna search as contact and I'm gonna choose it and click on next. Let's go back and copy our description, and if we come back, I'm just gonna give our description over here and I'm gonna remove this. And if we see, there is a insert resource. I'll tell you where is it. So if you see the highlighted one, we are gonna click on plus next to that. So we are gonna choose contact followed by first name. Let me type first, so click on first name. So if we see that resource will get input over here, the same I'm gonna repeat it next to hi. Again click on plus or click on contact followed by first name. Yeah, we are done. And now if we see, there is one check-in date, let's fill in for that as well. I'm gonna remove that and click on plus, gonna choose contact. I'm gonna type next so that we will get a result called next check-in date. So choose it and yeah, we are done. Now click on save and we are gonna activate this. Click on activate. Now let's go back and let's check our challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge and the remaining 2 challenges will be available in the same playlist. To check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.